Go. We're at the mall.
Outside the mall.
And Dominique's mom isn't here yet.
So we're in the rain, making a random video.
Cheahh.
And yeah. So we're kind of just out, we're freezing out here. And my mother is nowhere to be found. And she turned her phone off, so we're kind of just here.
And Dominique's cell phone died. We're kind of screwed, everybody.
Yeah. So I don't think she has his number on her cell phone.
Unless it said missed call on her phone since Dominique called her.
Yeah.
I want this video to be amazingly so cool. So say something like amazingly cool.
Amazingly cool.
Cheahh.
God, it's cold. Oh my god, you want you.
Where?
Right there.
Oh shiz, I
Your
gotta
mom it there.
find it. Oh, there, buddy.
Wait,
It's all fuzzy, but where'd it
there
go?
is, it's moving right there.
Is it the U-Haul truck? Oh shiz, it's the U-Haul. And there's another random car. Where'd it go? There's the random car. And random people.
People are staring at us.
Oh shiz, your face is huge.
People are staring at us.
Oh, the U-Haul truck again. Oh
There's
shiz.
their mom.
And there's her mom, everybody. Bye.